Alright, I'm going to go over how to create the live previews from the XML files. Right here I've got just the default install, just the one blog post and everything, no menu set up, nothing. So let's jump right into it. The first thing we're going to do is upload the XML file. We're going to do that under Tools and Import. And we're going to click WordPress because we have a WordPress XML file. And the first time you do this, you're going to be prompted with this installer. It just wants you to install this plugin to do this pretty simple stuff. So we'll go ahead and do that and activate the plugin. And then it gives us the option. We're going to want to choose the file. I have the download on my desktop. We go into Live Preview XML and then Live Preview.xml. And then one thing to note, you'll have a different maximum size depending on what server you're running. But I made sure to keep the Live Preview file really small, so everyone should be able to upload it without any issues. I think it's like 2 megabytes or something like that. So upload file and import. You can, right now everything's authored as me, Progression Studios. So you'll probably want to set it as yourself, your name. I'll put admin. You can change this in the future, so no worries if you select a name you aren't worried about. The actual important thing that you should do is click download and import file attachments, and this is so you're going to grab all the images. If you don't do this, then the background images are going to show up as missing, and it'll look pretty bad and be a little confusing. So if you skip this and you got a lot of missing files, that's kind of what you're dealing with. They're just missing images. And we'll submit this. And it shouldn't take too long since I kept the file size low. And it should tell you to have fun when you're done. Alright, so we've uploaded everything. And if we go back and we refresh, the only thing you should see is that you've had a duplicate Hello World. And that's just because you've imported my Hello World 1 post. And the other thing to note is that the home page, and nothing looks like it's really changed that much, and that's because we have to do a couple extra steps. The first thing we're going to do is actually activate the menu. So if we go to Appearance Menus, the menu's there, but it's not selected under Theme Locations. So all we got to do is select the main navigation and save. Once we've done that, we actually get the main menu. All the options are there. Really nice. So the other thing we want to do right off the bat is change the home page, since we actually do have a home page, and change the blog page. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, and the area we do that is under General and Reading. And we change it from front page displays from your latest posts to a static page. And so the front page is home page. I kept that simple for you guys. And then posts page is going to be blog. And we'll just save these changes. Alright. And then now if we go and refresh our home page, we will get the home page that is actually set up for the live preview. Ta-da! And this is how to get all of the demo files for our live preview in. You've got the About Us section with all the short codes for you. Services is done. Portfolio, contact. Everything's going to be done. And you have great examples for all that. It's a little different than a live preview just because I had to remove some of the copyrighted images, but you get the idea, and it'll really get you guys started. Especially on the About Us and services is probably the trickiest part. So yeah, that's how you upload any of the demo content.